Are you ready for the most direct shortcut to triple your traffic, leads, and sales for free in just half the time? Welcome to Video Dashboard. For the first time ever, we've automated the entire process of researching, creating, and publishing videos that are guaranteed to get you higher engagement, organic reach, and results compared to any other video or content you've ever created before. We have designed this to work even if you hate social media and never want to make a single video. Before I show you the groundbreaking features included in Video Dashboard, let's face some facts. If you thought next generation social media platforms like TikTok, Reddit, and others are just for humor or personal entertainment, think again. TikTok recently surpassed YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat with over 1 billion app downloads worldwide. It's currently the hottest social media platform that's captivating the attention of the masses, unlike anything else we've ever seen before in a long time. And TikTok is just one of the 11 proven powerhouse social platforms integrated into Video Dashboard. You see, billions of people of all ages use these platforms exclusively for their daily news, entertainment, and yes, shopping. Some smart early adopters that include marketers, business owners, authors, and agencies are using these platforms to grow their business faster than ever before. The only question is, do you want to be one of those early adopters or let your competition take your share? With the multiple first-to-market technologies packed into Video Dashboard, you will be connected with the most engaged social users online for free traffic that converts into leads, revenue, and long-term customers without needing to create content or make videos. Because the software handles everything from start to finish. Video Dashboard has been in development by my business partner, Sid Diwar, and our team of software engineers and video specialists. It's the same award-winning team behind some of the most cutting-edge traffic, video, and automation apps on the market today. Now, with Video Dashboard, for the first time ever, you can take advantage of the golden age of upcoming and rapidly growing platforms like TikTok, Medium, LinkedIn Pulse, and Reddit, along with all the regular established platforms to put your products and services and websites in front of billions of social media users. Because these platforms are brand new and trending right now, it is like being on Facebook just before it got popular in 2011 or being on YouTube when it started dominating back in 2012. With Video Dashboard, you get a massive unfair advantage over your competition. These new social platforms have very little video content relative to their huge user bases. Video Dashboard combines multiple first-to-market technologies inside one easy-to-use dashboard for unprecedented marketing power. First, let me start off with our unique Market Pulse Tracker technology that scours the internet for millions of pieces of data to find the hottest and trending content on a minute-to-minute basis. Save hours of your time and forget boring research. This groundbreaking technology gives you a bird's-eye view and delivers all the hottest trending content to skyrocket your reach and engagement. It gets even better. Also included is our first-of-its-kind deep search technology that helps you uncover the hottest trending content being posted by influencers that are already getting millions of views in any niche or industry using a single keyword. At a glance, you can get the exact hashtags, descriptions, images, and engagement stats to model after their content, completely legally. As you already know, video is critical to your marketing and traffic generation efforts. Video Dashboard makes it faster and easier than ever before. Our built-in revolutionary social calendar comes loaded with 365 videos curated for each day of the year, ready to roll straight out of the box. It is impossible to mess up with automation by your side, as you can schedule videos for every day of the year without having to create a single video yourself. Simply add your logo, change the images, and customize the video templates any way you like and publish them to the hottest social platforms on complete autopilot. It is mathematically impossible for you to not get any traffic, likes, shares, and followers because we have done all the work for you. That even comes close to Video Dashboard at any price. You're also covered by our no questions asked money back guarantee for 30 full days. There's absolutely no risk to you. Click the button below to get instant access right now. This is Paul Pona, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.